Tired of typing every search? Your DuckDuckGo microphone is blocked by default. Here is how to enable it in 30 seconds. We will go through the settings menu to allow microphone access. Just follow these simple steps. So let us start by navigating to DuckDuckGo. I mean, you are probably already on the homepage looking for that microphone icon, right? But here's the thing. Even if you are on the main DuckDuckGo page, your browser has the microphone turned off by default for that website. So do not worry if you do not see the little voice button yet. We are going to fix that right now. Now look at the address bar. This is the long bar at the top of your browser where the web address shows up. In this case, you should see the DuckDuckGo URL there. Look all the way to the left side of that address bar, just before the website name starts. You will see a small icon. It looks like a little slider or a toggle switch. Click on that slider icon. This is the quick way your browser shows you all the permissions for the current website you are on. Once you click that slider icon, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, you want to select the option that says Site Settings. When you click on Site Settings, it will open a new tab or a new window with a whole list of different permissions for DuckDuckGo. This list can look a little overwhelming at first because there are a lot of options, but I have tested this process step by step, so I can tell you exactly where to go. Do not change anything else in that list unless you know what you are doing. We are only here for one setting. Scroll down through the list until you find the section that says Microphone. It is usually grouped together with other options like Camera and Notifications. Once you find Microphone, you will see a drop-down menu next to it. And right now, that drop-down is almost certainly set to Block. That is why the voice search was not working for you. So click on that drop-down menu. Finally, change the drop-down from Block to Allow. You might see an option that says Allow and then remember your decision. Just plain Allow is perfectly fine. You can also choose to allow and then something like Ask First if you want. But if you want the microphone icon to actually show up and work every time you visit DuckDuckGo, just click Allow. And that is it. As soon as you do that, the settings will save automatically. Close that Settings tab and go back to the DuckDuckGo homepage. You should now see the microphone icon appear inside the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Your browser might ask you one more time if it is okay to use your microphone. Just say yes. And now you are all set. You can speak your search instead of typing it. In my experience, this fix works instantly, and it saves so much time, especially if you are on your phone or you just do not feel like typing. So go ahead and give it a try. That voice search is ready to go whenever you are.